Introducing the CX Caddy. Designed to perfectly complement your Chemex coffee maker, both aesthetically and functionally. The CX Caddy keeps your kitchen clean and organized by combining a filter holder, heat pad, and drying mat into one beautiful compact unit. The natural bamboo was chosen to closely match the Chemex's wood handle, while the mat was selected to match the leather strap. The mat is constructed of high-quality silicone and can safely withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be easily removed from the caddy and used as a convenient, heat-resistant serving pad. The mat was also designed to serve as a drying pad. After you rinse your coffee maker, simply place it upside down on the drip mat to dry. The honeycomb texture is very effective at containing water, while still allowing air to flow into the glass container, resulting in a quicker, more complete drying. When it's ready to be cleaned, simply place the mat in the dishwasher. And that's it! The CX Caddy, simply beautiful and beautifully simple.